What's up, guys? I don't have a good microphone yet, so I gotta stand a little close, but just got my gorilla tent here. Gorilla. I'm not in any way sponsored by these guys at all. I just made some profit off some Bitcoin mining, and I decided to buy the tent with it, so I can control the environment of my miners and get more miners now. So it's a little loud in here from miners running, so I'm just probably going to put some audio over the thing and try a time-lapse video. So it's a gorilla tent. It came in a bag. I had it in a box that it came in, but I was surprised to see that it came in its own little carrier bag and everything. Or see if it's worth the money. They stand behind the brand, so we'll see. I guess this is the first review.